guys, it's me. Let's play with Ian. For today we're gonna play Feeling Things and People. Let's see guys. Oh, what this guy doing? I'm already a pro. Yeah. Yeah. Mama. Ow. Sweet. Oh. Ayaw chill. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. Wait, guys, I'm gonna show you a trick. No. Yeah. Yeah.
Where's my house? I love my nose. I love the Jones. I love the I'm talking about Chico.
Three,
Baby, don't give me a cheese.
Three, two, one. Oh no. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, baby. 3, 2, 1. And boom. 3, 2, 1. Again. Boom. Leave that. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Get that. Boom. 3, 2, 1. Boost. 3, 2, 1. Oh, and I die after the death. I'm gonna get boost. And boom. After that, 3, 2, 1. After that, boom. Push that away. Boom. And boom. After that, push that away for extra boost. And boom. After you floating. And yes. And boom, after that you're in the water. And boom. And you die, and boom, I know the way. Boom. And then boom. Push that away. Boom. And boom, boost. Boom. And you know, and boom. Push that away. Boom, done. So if you put it together, this will like it. Boom and boom, 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 boost. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Boost again. 3, 2, 1. After that, boost. And boom. And that is all. And people will do flinch you. You must do this and boom. Boom. Click. So you better click it fast to do it. So press E and do this and press E again. Look. And you will die if you don't perfect it. So this is if you compare it. Let's see. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, boom, and 3, 2, 1. Okay, fast. Click E, fast. Oh no! Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you like it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Bye!
ng perang pinapadala ko sa